Hi, I'm Amanda Vandergulik. Welcome to my channel. My goal is to help provide you support, tools, and online programs to help you with your online business, creating passive income from your passions, raising money smart kids, and helping you eliminate any of those negative abundance blocks. If you're not familiar with my background, I just want to take a quick moment and share it with you in the hopes that it will inspire you to also succeed and achieve all of your goals. I have had my share of quite the challenges, and I wanted just to quickly share those with you to help inspire you. In 2016, I went into a 3-week coma. Now, it was only supposed to be for a couple of days. I developed pneumonia in both of my lungs, but our hospital didn't have an ICU and my oxygen dropped below 80. And in order to save my life, they needed to transport me to the nearest hospital with an ICU, which in order to do so, they had to actually put me into a medicated coma, paralyze me, and intubate me with a ventilator in order to keep me alive during the journey. It was only supposed to last a couple of days, but unfortunately, things got worse, and I developed acute respiratory distress syndrome, which just really means my lungs gave up and they would not breathe on their own. And I was given roughly about a 20 to 40% chance of survival. So I am still here, and I want to share my story with you. Luckily, I survived. Unfortunately, I woke up as a severely disabled lung person, and I literally had to relearn everything from how to breathe, how to eat, how to drink, how to talk, how to walk. And I was told by my doctors that if I was lucky, I might recover 80% of my original self, but that I would probably never work again. Two things happened during that time that completely changed my life. The first was that the doctors obviously had told me that I could no longer work again and that I would only recover possibly 80% of my health. And my doctor also told me that all the scarring that I had gotten during the acute respiratory distress syndrome would never disappear and would never heal. The second thing that happened was that when I was actually strong enough to get back on my laptop, I noticed something really unusual and really exciting on my computer. So with the first one, with my lungs never recovering, never healing again, after 2 years of intensive rehab, when I went back for another checkup and they did another x-ray and they compared it, I had actually started to eliminate or decrease or just get rid of some of the scarring in my lungs and increasing my ability to breathe and get oxygen through my body. And that was amazing and something that I never expected. My doctor literally started jumping up and down. She was so excited. And then of course she immediately said, okay, so now we need to put you on stronger steroids because it could get worse. I'm like, what? Anyway, the second thing that happened was even more exciting. So the second thing that happened was way more exciting. Well, okay, maybe not way more exciting. It's pretty darn exciting to know that you're actually able to heal your body. But it really helped me because I'd been told I'd never work again. When this second thing happened, it gave me hope. I saw a way out. I saw a way that I could create financial freedom for myself without having to have a regular job and do the things that regular healthy people could do. You can hear it on my lungs. I still struggle every day with my lungs. So this second thing completely changed everything for me. So what happened, I went on my computer and I noticed that I had been earning passive recurring income even when I was asleep in a coma. Now I hadn't noticed this because of course I hadn't been strong enough to go on my computer for months after my coma. But when I did, I was absolutely shocked to know that I had actually earned passive recurring income while I slept from work that I had set up years prior to that. Now, it wasn't a lot of passive income. It was only a couple $100s every month, but it was money that I didn't have to work for anymore. It was money that I had done the work for once, and then I was getting paid for over and over again every single month. These two things gave me a lot of hope because I knew if I could heal my lungs when the doctor says it wasn't possible, and if I could create passive income from my passions as a severely disabled lung person, then so could you. Before my coma, I'd had two different businesses that I worked on. One was cake decorating, helping cake decorators come up with fun cake decorating ideas. And the other was helping parents find ways to teach their kids about money so they could raise financially smart kids. As a kid, I was always called weird and different, and I was an easy target for bullies. And one of the things that I noticed when I was a teenager, I started to tutor kids, and having my own tutoring business gave me a lot of confidence. So let me show you some of the different resources that I have on my YouTube channel here to help you do just that, so that you can also live a life of healthiness, financially and physically. All right, let's take a look. All right, let me just put my glasses on here. Okay, there, I can see it. So this is my YouTube channel, and I am so honored that you are here. I hope my story inspires you to achieve your own success and create passive recurring income from your passions to eliminate any negative self-abundance blocks that you might be having and raise money smart kids. So this is how to navigate my YouTube channel. So at the top here is where I'll have this video welcoming you, so you can always come back to here to learn more about me. And in the comments area, I will post links to the different areas where I can help you best. So keep an eye out for that. All right, so here is where you're gonna find all of the newest uploads. They will be updated every week. I post at least one, if not more, videos per week to help you on your road to success. And then I've organized playlists for you to help you find what you need faster. So the first one up here is my Financial Literacy for Kids series. It's a 10-part series. It's free to watch. And I also have an email sequence that goes with it. If you want some extra goodies to help you, some extra resources, then definitely take a look at that. And here are some case studies about my financial literacy course, Teaching Children About Money 2.0, just to give you an idea of how I've been able to help other families around the world with raising money smart kids and teens. Then down here, because of parents always asking, well, how can my kids make money online? That's actually what got me started thinking, how could I help you learn how to make money online and do what I was doing and earning passive recurring income from your passions? So I created this 10-part course, which is how to start an online business. And again, it is free to watch. There is also an email sequence that goes along with it with more resources, some free tools, even a free website builder to get you started if you have not yet started your own online business, as well as ways to earn or to get free traffic from Google to help you with sending direct, very highly targeted traffic to your website. So I hope that's really helpful. I also have a section down here teaching you YouTube SEO and content marketing strategies, how to use YouTube to get free traffic for your website and to stay engaged with your members. And then down here is my section on how to set and achieve goals, how to reprogram your subconscious mind for success, remove any of your limiting negative beliefs around money and abundance and health, and so on. I have a series here of reviews of all the different programs and tools that I personally use either to run my business or to improve my health. So they are all in here, and you can take a look at all the different ones here. You can see the one about me actually healing my lungs and things that I did to do that, as well as mindset tools and different programs and platforms that I use to run my online business. I hope that's very helpful for you. I will also upload shorts from time to time to keep you up to date on new things and to bring to your attention things that I think are really important to help you. And if you're interested in what it was like for me to go through a coma, what it was like to be in a coma, what it was like to wake up as a severely disabled lung person, I put together my near-death experience series here. And then this is where it all started, down here. So my channel started and went viral because of my how to bake a cake video, which you can see here. And I've got a bunch other videos, and this is how it's all started. I had a passion for baking and decorating cakes, and I created videos and ebooks showcasing other bakers how to bake and decorate cakes, and I uploaded it to YouTube way back in 2011, and it has consistently earned me money every single month for over a decade. I baked that cake within 3 hours of baking, filming, uploading the video. It cost me less than $20 to create that cake, and it has earned me up by now over $10,000 just because I uploaded that video. And so that's the kind of thing I want to teach you. It's all a numbers game. And that's actually very low compared to what you could do, because I have learned so much over the past 10 years, and I'm going to be sharing all of the things that I have learned on how to create passive recurring income, and not just from things like Google Ads, but promoting your own online courses, other affiliate products, ways to help you do exactly that. And then down here, I've also got just so these are some fun cake decorating ideas, so you can have a look at some of the cakes that I decorated over the years. And then at the bottom, I've got some recommended channels, my daughter's channel and my business partner's channel down there. So I look forward to sharing all of this with you. And again, come back here often, bookmark this page, and I will constantly update you with ways that you can turn your passions into passive income. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it was inspiring. If you're ready right now to get started, you can actually head over here and we'll start the very first video on how to get started online. I'll see you in there.